Guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is happinessmajoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I have for you. So on today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my shower routine. If you're interested, then keep watching this video. First thing I like to do when I jump into the shower is just run water through my body so that it gets the moisture back before I start showering with my loofah. So I do this for a minute and then I go in with my pink loofah. If you haven't noticed, guys, my favorite color is pink, and this is the body wash that I'll be using. This is a body wash from Blue King and it is infused with some coconut. And hey guys, I'm from the coastal side, so coconuts in everything, yes, even in the shower. So I'm going to wash my body for some time before I rinse it off and then go on to the next step. Using the spa body cream from Tony Iros with coconut. All my products in this video are coconut infused, so this is the consistency. It's basically spa salt with some coconut in it. I love it because it's not very abrasive on the skin. It's soft. See the way it's just going down on my hand. So I'm going to be scrubbing my body with this, rinse it off, and then go in with a second shower. And guys, remember, always wash in between your toes. I don't know who doesn't tell you, but clean in between your toes. It's very, very important. You can't be cleaning your whole body and not cleaning your toes. It doesn't make sense at all. So this is my way of exfoliating. I always exfoliate a day before I decide to shave. I always shave my legs. I used to wax, but I stopped because it was more painful than waxing the lady area. So I only go for a Brazilian waxing and my underarms, and then I shave my legs and thighs. That's why I'm exfoliating today, and the next time I hop into the shower, I will be shaving. The benefit of exfoliating your body is that it helps with lifting up the dead skin, so that when you go in for a shave, it shaves smoothly and it avoids most of the time ingrown hairs and bumps on your skin, and that is not pretty when you have ingrown and bumps on your skin or dark marks. shower, I jump into my oral care and I just use Colgate and a toothbrush, and then after that I rinse my mouth with Listerine, and then I hop into skincare. These are the products that I'll be using for my nighttime routine, so I always use this. First of all, if you haven't seen my skincare routine, you better click on the video that's popping up on the screen so that you can watch it, because I do my skincare after my shower. I use Nivea Rich Nourishing 48 hours. It feels good, it feels smooth on the body, it leaves my body feeling gorgeous and amazing. Look at my skin. And then later I use coconut oil. Take your time to oil yourself, guys. This is the best feeling ever. Just take your time and oil yourself, and after that I use my body splash or mist, whatever you want to call it, and you smell good. Look at me guys, just look at me, I can't stop smelling myself. I love smelling nice all the time. It's a weakness I have and I'm happy it is one of my weaknesses. Yes, girl. Is basically it for today's video. I got home early and yeah, I just needed some, evening time with myself. I can't stop smelling good. I had to add this body mist. It is also coconut infused. It is coconut passion. Yeah, so I spray this again. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, you know exactly what to do. Leave a comment, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Always remember to work hard, stay humble and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye.